Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Epic Games password. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Safari or any web browser and then go ahead and search for epicgames.com. Now you'll be up here with the Epic Games website. Make sure that you are logged into it if you have already not logged in. If you are already not logged in, and once it's done, if you are already logged in, you'll be up here with like this screen interface. Now from the appeared screen, go ahead and tap on that little profile icon appear on the top left corner. Now again here you can see little profile icon, go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see account, go ahead and tap on it again. Now it will take you to your account and here is the account settings. Now click on account settings and when you scroll down a bit you can see passwords and security. Now you can just simply change your password from here by typing the new password and retyping it again. Now once it's done you can just save the changes and you are good to go. So this is how it is, easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.